Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to go live on TikTok without 1k followers. So simply just open the TikTok and after that just go to profile, and now on the top right side three button icons, simply just click here. Now go to settings and privacy. After that just scroll down and here you can see report a problem. So just simply click on report a problem. Now go to account and profile, and after that click on profile page. Now click on other, and now in the next section what you need to do, just here you can see that report a problem is solved. Simply click on no, need more help. So here you can type a problem that I cannot go live without 1k followers, and after that click on submit. So in this way you can solve this issue. There is no other way to go live on TikTok without 1k followers.